with porn, like with gaming, the false sense of community, the false sense of love. The internet can't really emulate having friends. It doesn't feel the same when you have friends online. I've had more friends online than offline. Same for sexual encounters, intercourse and shit. If you're in a place where you tend to relapse, you have to get out as much as you can, distance yourself away from spending days on end in your room, for example. That's what I did. Porn it's a self-control issue. I can give you all the advice. When the time comes, when the urges hit, it's just gonna be you against yourself and your urges. So you have to control yourself. And how do you gain self-control? It's always the same shit. Jordan Peterson talked about this so many times. Control your immediate environment, and then you control yourself. Once you realize that, you can quit given the correct tools. So, changing your environment is the biggest catalyst that can happen to your life. And I don't just mean your location. It's also important what type of people you're surrounding yourself with. And that doesn't mean blame your actions on somebody else. For example, my parents don't really give me the best frame of mind. So I tend to stay away from home at least 2 to 4 hours a day. That way I can get into my own proper mindset, because we just have a clash of personality at home. It could be just as easy as that. Having too much pressure can cause you to relapse. So take your time, do your evening walks as I'm doing right now. And I strongly suggest, if you're broke, which you likely are, because you're fucking fapping, just go to a calisthenics park and start doing pull-ups. That's what I'm gonna do too.